How to make your own hashtag on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create your own hashtag on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok application. Now all you need to do is click on the post icon at the middle, and to simply I'm just gonna start record my video. And now you can edit your video and click on the check icon. Simply click on next and now describe your video. Now I wanted to create my own hashtag. What I need to do is click on hashtag. Now for example, I'm gonna write how to if there is a number beside the hashtag, like look at the hashtag how to meditate, there is 6.2 million views. This hashtag is so famous. Now look at my hashtag how to media. It's a new hashtag because there is no views, there is add, and all I need to do is click on add. So there is my new hashtag and click on post. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.